Nigeria's Hilda Effiong Baci, chef and entrepreneur, became a national sensation after cooking non-stop for more than 90 hours in a kitchen in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, before a live audience, showcasing her culinary skills, tenacity, and determination. The 4-day cooking marathon began on Thursday at 4 p.m. Nigerians defied the rain, the sun, and the wind to encourage and support Hilda in her quest to break the world record. We are waiting for Guinness World Records official statement to confirm that Nigeria's Hilda Effiong Baci has set a new Guinness World Cook-A-Thon record. The assessment by Guinness World Record officials can take about 12 weeks to complete. Hilda Baci has used over 100 different dishes since turning on her cooker. President Muhammadu Buhari of Nigeria, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State, the Nigeria's president-elect, Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and other leaders, including celebrities from around the world, has sent congratulatory messages to Hilda Effiong Baci.